I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious butter vegetable Maggi. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 2 packets of Maggi noodles, including their flavor sachets. For the vegetables, prepare 1 medium-sized onion, 1 medium tomato, and about half a cup of your favorite mixed vegetables like peas, carrots, or bell peppers. Also, have 2 tablespoons of butter ready, along with 2 cups of water. A pinch of salt and a dash of red chili powder will enhance the taste. Now let's get cooking. Begin by melting 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan over a medium flame. Once it's shimmering, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them gently until they turn soft and translucent, which usually takes about 2 minutes. If you like a little kick, now is the time to add chopped green chilies and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next, toss in your mixed vegetables and chopped tomatoes, stirring and cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes until they are slightly tender. With your vegetables perfectly sautéed, it's time for the noodles. Pour 2 cups of water into the pan and bring it to a vigorous boil. Once boiling, break in your 2 packets of Maggi noodles. Immediately add the Maggi Tastemaker sachets, stirring everything well to combine. You can also add a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder for extra flavor. Let the noodles cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are tender and most of the water has been absorbed, stirring occasionally. We are almost there. For that signature rich taste, add the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter directly into your hot, cooked Maggi. Stir it gently until the butter completely melts and coats every strand of noodle and vegetable. This step truly elevates the flavor. Finally, sprinkle generously with fresh chopped coriander leaves for a burst of freshness and color. Your delicious, warm, and comforting butter vegetable Maggi is now ready to be served and enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.